In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Otter AI account using Google. By the end, you'll have your account set up and ready to go using your existing Google login for a quick, secure start. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to otter.ai. Take a quick second to confirm you're on the official site by checking the address bar and the secure lock icon. This helps ensure you're signing up in the right place and keeps your information safe. On the Otter homepage, look to the top right corner and click Start for free. This button kicks off the sign-up process and doesn't charge you anything. It's simply how you create your account and explore the free plan. If you see a similar prompt like sign up, that leads to the same place. Next, on the sign up screen, select Continue with Google. This option uses Google's secure sign-in flow, so you don't need to create and remember a separate password for Otter. It also keeps your login centralized, which can be easier to manage. If you use multiple Google profiles, think about which one you want associated with Otter. For example, a work account if you'll use Otter for meetings, or a personal account for classes and interviews. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account. Click the Google account you want to use. If you're already signed in on that browser, you'll see your profiles listed. If you're not signed in, Google may prompt you to authenticate before proceeding. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After choosing your account, you'll see a permissions screen. This is Google confirming that you want to let Otter access limited information tied to your Google profile, such as your basic account details and in some cases read-only calendar access to help with meeting scheduling and transcription. Take a moment to review what's requested so you're comfortable with it. When you're ready, click Continue to grant access and finish linking your account. Google will then redirect you back to Otter and your account is created. That's it, the setup is complete. You should land on your Otter dashboard where you can start exploring features like recording, transcribing, and organizing conversations. A quick tip, bookmark otter.ai so you can return with one click, and next time choose Sign In with Google to get right back in. If you ever want to adjust connected permissions later, you can manage them from your Google account settings. You've successfully created an Otter account using Google. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined sign-in and faster start with Otter.